Indoor vining plants not only add a touch of natural beauty to your home but also bring life and freshness to any space. With their cascading foliage and graceful tendrils, these plants can transform your living spaces into lush green havens. In this video, we'll explore 10 indoor vining plants that will thrive in your home and enhance its aesthetic appeal. 1. Pothos. Pothos is a popular choice for indoor gardeners due to its heart-shaped leaves and ability to thrive in low-light conditions. This versatile vining plant comes in a variety of leaf colors, including green, golden, and variegated. 2. Devil's ivy. Devil's ivy, also known as silver pothos, is a visually striking vining plant with silver-patterned leaves. It grows well in low to medium light conditions, making it perfect for homes with limited natural light. 3. Philodendron. Philodendrons are known for their glossy, heart-shaped leaves and easy care nature. These vining plants come in various cultivars, including the popular Brazil and heartleaf varieties, which thrive in moderate light. 4. String of pearls. If you're looking for a unique vining plant, the string of pearls is an ideal choice. Its cascading stems adorned with small, bead-like leaves resemble a string of pearls. This succulent plant prefers bright, indirect light. 5. English ivy. English ivy is a classic vining plant that can be grown indoors or outdoors. Its lush, dark green leaves provide an elegant and timeless appeal. English ivy thrives in bright, indirect light and slightly cooler temperatures. 6. Marble Queen Pothos. Marble Queen Pothos is a variegated variety of the popular pothos plant. Its heart-shaped leaves feature a stunning blend of green and white, adding a touch of sophistication to any room. It grows well in moderate to low light conditions. 7. Hoya. Hoya, commonly known as wax plant, is an enchanting vining plant with waxy, star-shaped flowers. Its thick, succulent leaves make it a low-maintenance choice for indoor gardening. Hoya prefers bright, indirect light. 8. Spider plant. Spider plant is a classic houseplant with long, arching leaves that produce plantlets or spiderets. These small plants dangle from the parent plant, creating a cascading effect. Spider plants thrive in various light conditions, from low to bright indirect light. 9. Heartleaf Philodendron. Heartleaf philodendron is a versatile vining plant that can be grown in hanging baskets or trained to climb a support structure. Its heart-shaped, deep green leaves bring a touch of elegance to any indoor space. It thrives in moderate to low light conditions. 10. Golden Pothos. Golden Pothos is a vibrant vining plant with heart-shaped leaves splashed in shades of green and gold. This hardy plant is an excellent choice for beginners, as it can tolerate a wide range of light conditions, from low to bright indirect light. Indoor vining plants are a wonderful addition to any home, bringing a touch of nature's beauty indoors. Whether you choose the cascading foliage of pothos, the unique charm of string of pearls, or the timeless elegance of English ivy, these 10 indoor vining plants are sure to enhance your home's aesthetics. Experiment with different locations and lighting conditions to find the perfect spot for each plant, and enjoy the refreshing ambience they provide. With proper care and attention, your indoor vining plants will thrive and create a green sanctuary within your home.